Hey guys, it's me, TJ, from you guys already know it, Toy Talks Family. And today we're opening a Hot Wheels monster truck color reveal. So we're gonna dip it in water, so it reveals the color, so it will come in one of these colors. And then we are gonna go ahead and dip it in some hot water and it'll change to a different color. Then we will try cold water. Let's get this unpackaged. Look, you can see some at the bottom. You just pull. Yep. Oh wow. What is this? Squirts. The car. It came in orange. A clip. I think this is all the other ones you can get. Oh no, the instructions. Time to dip. Oh, the water's getting like orange. What if I can scratch it off? That kind of works. Or rub it. Oh, my hands are orange. We got a red and black race car kind of sign at the top. And then it's kind of like a spider web kind of here. So first we're gonna try the hot. The hot. Oh, it takes away the black and makes it a different type, like a shade of red. And you can see the spider web more. Time to see the cold. Whoa. That is cool. So now it's black. I wonder if I get some ice. Ice. I'm gonna take this one and see if I can like rub it on it. It does make it more like black. So let's see. Rub it in some more. It's very nice. I think out of my favorite, let me see. There's this one or this one. I think my favorite is this big one because this one is more like the same colors kind of. The other one has black and red, so it looks more nicer. Time to squirt it. Whoa. Kind of like a marker. Now the hot water. Just disintegrates. It looks very cool. Hey look, I can make this side that color and the other side red. And then, when I'm ready, bloop, and it's red again. It's like a very dark red. I think it's time to put this on top. Now, there's like two holes here and this here, so this clicks kind of, just like that. Actually, yeah, but it's gonna squeeze a bit. So, I'm gonna open it. I think I put it here. Right there. We press it, and it squirts. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!